For the Realme C71, this is the current price as of January 24. For the 15T, Realme 15T 5G, this is the price. Magkaiba yung price kasi magkaiba din yung memory. Merong 26 gigabytes na RAM. They also have 18 gigabytes na RAM. So ito siya guys, ang 15T 5G. For the 15 Pro 5G, ito naman yung presyo. They have 27,999. They also have 30,999. Triple 50 MP. Ang ganda nito guys, very lightweight. Glossy yung likod niya. Tsaka curve yung edge niya. I like it. Slim siya guys, very slim. So that's it guys.